All right, so continuing on with dividing fractions, only this time we're going to get into mixed numbers. Still the same concept applies. So leave, change, flip. Leave the first one alone. It's 2/3. Leave it as 2/3. Divide, change it to times. 5 6 becomes 6/5. Now we can always go through and reduce. The 6 would become a 2, the 3 a 1. So we multiply 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. So we have our 4/5. So, still going to use that concept with mixed numbers. Only difference is, just like with multiplying mixed numbers, we have to make them into improper fractions first. Then we do the leave, change, flip. So, improper fraction, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11/3. And that's going to stay. This will become times, and 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. That's going to go to the bottom. The 3 is now on top because we're going to flip it. 7/3 would be 2 1/3, but we flip. So then we can reduce this to a 1, this to a 1. 11 times 1 is 11. 1 times 7 is 7. So now a mixed number, we'd get 1 out of there. 7 or 11 minus 7 is 4. So 4 7s. 1 and 4 7s. Okay. So same thing that we're doing with multiplication. We have to make it into an improper fraction from a mixed number before we can do anything. Then we follow the leave, change, flip, make it into a multiplication, times them out, and we get our answer. So, 5 1/2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 makes us 11 halves. Dividing goes to times. Now, 3, to make an improper fraction, all we do is put over 1, so when we flip it, it becomes 1/3. 1 times 11 is 11. 2 times 3 is 6. Again, improper fraction. To simplify it, we have to make it into a mixed number. So 1 6 goes into 11. There'd be 5 left over. So 1 and 5 6. Okay. 5 6 times 2 1/2. Well, the 5 6 stays the same. We don't have to do anything to that. Change division to multiplication. 2 1/2 has to be a mixed number. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So 5 halves becomes 2/5. Now, the 5 can reduce. The 2 can reduce with the 6. So 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And we're left with 1/3. Last one. So again, we just have to put the whole number over 1. Division, change to multiplication. Mixed number, you need to make an improper fraction. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So 4/7. When we multiply, we get 36/7. Well, how many 7s can go into 36? Well, 5 of them. And we'll have 1 left over. So 1 and 5 7. So, dividing mixed numbers. Just like with multiplication, we have to make them improper fractions first. We can't leave them as mixed numbers. From there, we can reduce, just like with multiplying. We'll do the leave, change, flip there first. So leave the first one alone, change from division to multiplication, flip the second one over, and then multiply them just like normal. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, until next time, we'll talk to you later, guys.